Etiefo memamo akwaba biem edibanim de news ensempa efie na yeko ensem ni mana sabre de court ensem Chief Justice Torkonoo edi ensem bi ababetu edwa sabre yebe pense mu edi ama etiefo na etiefo so ehunu se de esi etie ewo ensem no eho na edi ensem na Chief Justice Torkonoo de ababetu edwa machechwe enoma bebre emu afa court ensensem eho ene sedie ensembua esitie na nensem no elenkitu ne yebia nensen Dormaahene ya anso ani anase anya de ne de na odi kan hye ho concern sabi wasande nsem bi ebetudwa afa ho a ye de ema etiefo eko ensem ni mana Chief Justice Torkonoo echimu se enya de a ye was ye so se asem wo court wa yendi enwiye obi timi sorry anase obi a wo de wosi wonim mra wonsai mra o sorry na obeka bibia keke ede efa ho enya de a eso eni kra na campus wo a wo ye judge eti ye behwa generally engofo bebi honma ye che omo contempt na ye de omo akogina emra enim eti no Chief Justice Torkonoo say it is hard time ye beye na omo so a omo the judiciary nankasa emum the judges no na omo ankasa nso no bibi honoma ye de sa eso no abo ho ifi say enya de a eso and say common and I say just a normal Ghanaian na say obego to search a thing wonso so we in the judiciary say ubu so a wasa wonso so ye chill contempt because okra de winimum mra no enim change the ono no ye normal Ghanaian no so for you to go to the extent of doing this no it is not fair na we nyina happen ye wo bra Dormaahene ya de a obekasa ye say ye jachiku is in case ye wo court no ya de a enka or appeal to the Attorney General Godfred Adame ono na Dormaahene eko appeal say ade a oma case no case no entungu na jachiku is enya ni freedom na osan so kache na nado danko akofado say na nado danko akofado hu bibi pa na ebeye di a ono charge na nado danko akofado say ade a onyi case no in free court and as omo case no entungu na we na Chief Justice Torkonoo edi kan edi nsembe tu dwa say da bi de mranim ni kenya de a eto asumo enya de nso aye ni baabia no enya de a esefata ni sabe de Chief Justice Torkonoo esi NDC judges a asem court a na omo kasa fa ho no mo ye de ensem fata wo ho ni nyina no now oba omo so now she is coming on them to just prove her points clear say dabi menya de a esene fata because so hwa assembly court a NDC lawyer we are no aba judge we are no aba no abeka de ope we are no abeka de ope a whole on na happen na de a ode futu akomu omunyina no both the NDC and NPP lawyers ya and judges ya akeka nyina no de a ode warning yi omo say de a omo enye careful about how they make points our bra case enye ni enwiye na okasa efa ehwo enya de a so ani enya de a etimi eboa ntino de a wa obeto sa normal we mu bie mu no de ye contempt of God ye contempt ebechew a enye asem ketwa tiwi na ye Chief Justice Torkonoo de tudwa ma ye Dormaahene ene judges a aka nyina no ode eto omani se omunya de a omonhwe omano kasa eyi ewo bra case eniwiye because ye Ghana ni bia na so obi na nkekwaye sa nka ye se emra enkonkudi no ewo case wi ho kura na bra opanyini a ye friend no KT Hammond ebra oko share the concerns and also oko make a prediction about Jachi Crazy case ade a Jachi Crazy and the lawyers call so ade a omode hunhuna call no so se wono wa making points and I say wa bua asem no which meanwhile case no yendi enwie nti ade a wa bu emra so ama ono so de betu dwa say nya ade a wono no o make things clear and I say oka what is going to happen na the way say or predict what is going or what can happen. So prediction is not certainty. So that is what or the able to and sana yeah hunu de kwesi ye biema ensem no egusu kura wo honom. Enti say a bit misses like this on the call na prediction e koba ne sa. So wo dia nipa no woko na aka se yenkotwa yenyini free court dia na je se ntwe yenwura ensem na emu kakra na etiefo enya more clearance about what is happening now. Chief Justice Gertrude Torkonoo Ediababetu Eja. Justice Gertrude Torkonoo, Ghana's Chief Justice, has called for a more rapid application of contempt proceedings against judges who comment on ongoing court cases. Speaking at the 7th Annual Legal Ethics Training Program organized by the African Center on Law and Ethics, ACLE, at Jimpes Law Faculty, she emphasized that the same students should apply to judges as they do not ordinary citizens who comment on pending cases. The Chief Justice called the Code of Conduct for Judges, which explicitly prohibits them from making public statements that could influence the outcome or fairness of a pending or impending court matter. She stressed the importance of upholding these ethical standards and urged for immediate action when judges are found to have violated them. If we could call an individual for contempt before any court for discussing a case in court, then we ought to hold a judge even faster. Gertrude Torkonoo said in her address, a judge shall refrain from making any public statement that might reasonably be expected to affect the outcome or impair the fairness of a matter pending or impending in any court, or any non-public statement that might substantially interfere with a fair trial or hearing. As you can see, I am reading that is part of the Code of Conduct on Propriety. Justice Torkonoo added, Dormaahene Osiadeɛ Yo Ajima Badu II, who serves as both a traditional leader and a High Court judge, on July 1st, appealed to the President and the Attorney General to halt and terminate the trial of Asenoff MP James Jachi Crazy. As a matter of urgency, I am appealing to the President of the Republic, if he has any role to play, that trial should be aborted and the Attorney General should, as a matter of urgency, file a null prosequi to end the particular decision and abort the criminal case against Mr. Crazy. The Dormaahene explained that the Prof. John Evans Atame's commemorative lecture in Sunyane, the Chief Justice also justified the decision not to persons with obscene and offensive conduct to the bar. Her comments come months after a student of the Ghana School of Law, popularly known as Ama Governor, on social media was denying the call to the bar. It followed a petition to the General Legal Council about her conduct on social media a few days before the call to the bar. Justice Gertrude Torkonoo said, when somebody has behaved in a certain way and we say we cannot call the person to the bar, I was surprised at the furor that rose up concerning the call to the bar of certain people, and I thought, like, seriously, this is proper conduct for the legal sector? That's interesting. Anyway, so far, to come into our space and to come into the space of the legal sector, your conduct cannot be obscene and offensive and you expect that you would be admitted. It doesn't work like that. your comments on social media, your ex parte communications for judges is extremely critical, she added. That just say judges ensem a omoka because the case abana obi a winimumra obeka bibia fa ho a it catches attention. Emma nkofo ehunu se the judge beka yi eye no kro. That just say wo judge na kasa wuti case no so no se wo bua no otherwise ebekwa akoye se wo bu attention na just say wo mu umra no eyi na se wa anye de ese efata. So we any nsema ye get to talk on the betu just say their judges, they should be careful about how they present certain cases and also more make you or more intentions on certain cases. Meanwhile, the case is still in court. A bit to say bia a year aseme walk court or opinion. Jachi question a year in tansa abona enya asem ketwe. Na o sorry beka say a yenyi assembly free court just like that. Na yes e won nipa be team no, it means asem na ensure that case hu bia. Meanwhile, deep down, it is a very serious and a critical issue I work out. So, Chief Justice Torkonoo advise all the judiciary say, so far as who are in the judiciary doesn't mean say you are above the law. So they should be very careful about how they present or speak out on certain issues. They should be very, very careful so that they can have a very peaceful judiciary in this country. Judiciary nankasa na nkofo be many concerns against them because of one or two reasons. So it's a case echo court. Now udi kai ba bonten ebe kekansem ebe kanwe ebe yewe ya, then it will not be fair at all.